And this is a master bath, dual sink, separate shower, and 2 electrical outlets.
Are those ground fault receptacles?
Who needs them? Think about it, you're over 3 feet from any water source.
Isn't that a little close?
Sure it is. Just don't use an extension cord.
Every year, people are electrocuted in their bathrooms and kitchens because they don't have a proper ground fault circuit interrupter. Electricity and water don't mix, and what protected me here was a GFCI. It's got 2 buttons, a test and a reset. Now I press the reset button and we have power on all of the outlets on this circuit again. What a GFCI does is detect any surges in the power line and actually cuts off the power right then if there is a surge. It helps prevent you from getting electrocuted, and they're not expensive. If you're buying an existing home and they don't already have GFCIs, you can pick up one at any hardware store or home center. They're very easy to install. You just need to remember to shut off the power at the breaker box before you work around electricity. If you don't want to do it yourself, it's not expensive to have an electrician come out and install them for you. Now, you don't have to have a GFCI at every single outlet. As you can see, this outlet does not have a GFCI test and reset button, even though it's closer to the sink, but it is on the same circuit as this GFCI. So if anything's plugged into it and hits the water, it automatically shuts off back here at the original outlet. And since it is new construction, it still has the sticker on it that says GFCI protected outlet. Now, if you move in an existing home or a new home that already has the sticker removed, you can test every outlet to see if it's on the same circuit as the GFCI. I've got an electrical tester with me, but you can use a small lamp or a hairdryer or any type of appliance where you can tell when it goes off. When I plug it in, you can see that the lights are on. When I press the test, it's going to open up the circuit, which means shut it off, just like an appliance fell in. And as you can see, the light changes. And then I hit reset and we're good to go. So we know that this outlet is on this circuit. You need to have ground fault circuit interrupters in any room where there's running water, including the kitchen, the bathrooms, utility rooms, out in the garage where you might possibly wash a car, and especially the exterior of your home due to lawn sprinkler systems or even rain. Now, there's certain appliances you don't want on a GFCI circuit, including refrigerators and freezers, garage door openers, even lawn sprinkler systems. Due to surges, you don't want those to pop off. Now, when you move in a new home, you may plug into an outlet and it doesn't work. First, test the GFCI before you even go out and look at the breakers. A lot of times, those are already tripped. If you set it back again, you'll be fine. If you move into a home and you don't have GFCIs, go out and buy one and install it yourself or hire an electrician. It's going to protect you and your family.